And this is a little toy review with Brayden. This is Hot Wheels Energy Track double loop course. Comes with 3 Hot Wheels. Alright, we put together the track. Very easy to set up. And you see the double loop there. Brayden, how many cars you got in there? 1?
Yep.
Alright, let's see it. Whoa, nice. Now this thing in the middle, every time you have to twist it to open up the track. It kind of helps springboard the car to get through the last loop. Alright, car number 2. Whoa, that went a little bit further. Okay, let's get car number 3. See if 3 can be the best. Ooh, got caught. Try that one again. You'll have to open up that track. Ooh, one more time.
That's hard.
Yeah, open up the track. Ooh, try it. Try the red one. Sometimes they do get stuck. I mean, it happens. But it's very easy to reload them. See? There we go. Now, just let's get all 3 cars. See what happens. He's going to put all 3 cars right here in the back. And what you got to do, you got to move that red thing, push it back. Open the track. We don't know what's going to happen here. He's got 3 cars.
Hey, I know what happens on 2 cars, and 1 gets stuck. But I forgot what does 3 cars. I don't know.
Whoa, none of them went through. So yeah, this is Energy Track Hot Wheels track set. Brayden really liked this one. Later.
And I'll show you with 2.
Okay, show me with 2 one more time, and then we'll stop the video here. Oh, almost.
1 goes through it, and 1 doesn't.
Right. All right. It's a fun little Hot Wheels game here.